Hey everyone, it's me Lauren from Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to share with you guys today a fun new class that's coming on boldnotionquilting.com. We are actually going to talk about memory quilting. So memory quilting is a fun thing that we all love to do, especially now that we're getting ready to go into the holidays. Memory quilting is a very popular Christmas gift that we love to gift our loved ones, and I want to share with you the most efficient, quickest, and best way to kind of put together your quilts and to structure them. So we're going to talk about the process from intake of the entire item, and then how to render that down into our finished quilt project. So we're going to talk intake, prepping, cutting, and mapping, which for me mapping means, how do we put together the quilt top aesthetically to be the nicest, color selection for different fabrics if we want to add sashing. We're going to talk about road hazards such as beads or sequins or different things that can pop up if you want to add additions like printed photos to your quilt top as well, and then other special things that can really make it more special for you and for your loved ones. So we're going to talk about the whole process from intake to quilt top completion. And then I'm going to share with you a bonus video on how to custom quilt your beauties, so that you are prepared to use the right needles and thread and everything that you need to make this a really effective method of completing your quilt top that's going to be very enjoyable for you, because your thread's not going to break the whole time that you're trying to quilt, but you can also make it more personal because you're custom quilting a memory quilt, which a lot of people don't do. So it's going to be really fun. And then of course, we also will talk hazards, like how do we deal with items that might have holes on them, or how do we deal with projects that somebody else started and now we are going to finish. Maybe someone started the project and realized they were in over their head, and now what do I do with these pieces that I have and how do I make them fit? So I'm really excited to show you guys all of my tips and tricks. This is going to be a super fun class, and I hope that you will join me on boldnotionquilting.com. The memory quilting class is called Memory Quilt Like a Boss. So you're going to be able to get in there, get your items, and just get ready to make your masterpiece beautiful for you. We're going to talk some different arrangements that are going to have sashings versus arrangements that don't, which you'll see from some different memory quilts that I have behind me, and photos and different images I'll show you of memory quilts that I've made over the years. So I'm super excited. Join me, boldnotionquilting.com. There's a link above, and the class is called Memory Quilt Like a Boss. Enjoy some photos of some memory quilts that I've made, so that you can kind of see what you're in for. Take care and happy quilting, y'all. Bye.